Welcome to December. We wanted to learn about Brazil. Big doing bits of Brazil.
We do drumming and dancing with drum masher. Here we are playing with drums and dancing.
Zo vaak is green, yellow, and blue. Green is for colors, yellow for gold, and on the blue bit, 27 stars. Alright, so, okay, Johnny, say.
Okay.
Brazil is in South America. Brazil has 202 million people. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia, which I like to call Brazil. The largest city is Sao Paulo. The money used is called real. Now, at first point, it actually looks like real, but it's real. Here are some words we learned in Portuguese. Here are some words for today. Thanks for listening. Idiots. Obrigado. No este. Como estás, Luis? Estoy bien. Popular.
About Neymar Jr., who is a Brazilian famous footballer. Here are some of my favourite facts. He plays for PSG. He used to play for Barcelona, and he's a Brazil football captain.
I know about this one.
In Brazil, the famous camel Madiga. Here are some people with the camel. I hope you join the December. Thanks for listening. Thank you for listening.